Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been wondering how to send money from your Gcash account to your Cash App wallet, you've probably already noticed there's no direct transfer option. But don't worry, today I'm going to walk you through a super simple workaround to make it happen step by step. Stick around until the end because I'll share a quick tip to make this process even smoother next time. First things first, Gcash and Cash App don't talk to each other directly. That means you'll need a middleman, your bank account. Here's what to do. Open Gcash on your phone and log in. Tap on Send Money, choose Send to Bank. From here, you'll see a list of available banks. If your bank is listed, just select it. If it's not listed, choose the option to Add Bank and manually enter your account details. Make sure these match exactly to avoid issues. Enter the amount you want to send, double-check everything, and tap Send. Within minutes, the money should arrive in your bank account. Now it's time to move the funds to Cash App. Open your Cash App, tap Add Cash, and select your linked bank account. Enter the amount you transferred earlier and confirm. And that's it. You've just moved money from Gcash to Cash App, even though there's no direct transfer option. If you do this often, save your bank account in Gcash and keep it linked in Cash App. This way, future transfers will be much faster and take just a couple of taps. And there you have it. An easy way to get your Gcash funds into Cash App using a bank account as a bridge. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials on managing your money online. And as always, check the description for any helpful links. Thanks for watching.